Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up and enable a completely free VPN on your Windows 11 PC. No need for third-party apps or subscriptions, just a simple step-by-step guide using a reliable free VPN service. So let's jump right in. First, we'll grab our free VPN credentials. For this, we're using VPNBook, a trustworthy provider that offers free VPN servers and regularly updated login details. Open your web browser and go to VPNBook.com. Once there, scroll down to the PPTP section. You'll find a list of server addresses along with the current username and password. Now let's configure the VPN on your... Click on the Start menu and open the Settings app. Inside Settings, head to Network and Internet, then click on VPN. Here you'll see an option to add a VPN. Click that. In the Setup window, for VPN provider, select Windows built-in. Name the connection anything you like, for example, US VPN. Paste the server address you copied earlier. Set the VPN type to point-to-point tunneling protocol, PPTP. For sign-in info, choose username and password. Enter the username and password from the VPNBook site. Once done, click Save. You'll now see your VPN connection listed in the VPN settings menu. Click on it, then hit Connect. After a few moments, it should say Connected. That means you're good to go. To confirm that your VPN is working, open your web browser and search for What is my IP. If the IP address shown is different from your usual one, congratulations, your VPN is active. If it doesn't connect, double-check your username and password. VPNBook updates them frequently, so make sure you're using the latest ones. Still no luck? Try switching to a different server from the list. And that's it. You've successfully set up a free VPN on Windows 11. No third-party apps needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yogi PC Tube for more simple tech tutorials.